If you think you're protected because you've been living together for years and years, then this is the bit that most people get completely wrong. Hello, I'm Carrie Syson and I am founder of Your Final Matters. I help people to get their paperwork and their practical ducks in a row so that their family aren't left trying to figure everything out at the worst possible time. This is part of my Relationship, Property and Legal Blind Spot series, and in this episode I'm focusing on something that catches so many people out. There is no such thing as common law marriage in England and Wales. It's a bit of a surprise, isn't it? Because a lot of people genuinely believe that if you've been together for long enough, then you automatically have rights. And maybe you've lived together for 5, 10, even 20 years. Maybe you've got children together. Maybe everything feels like our home or our life. But legally, that doesn't create the protection that people think it does. In some countries, for example, New Zealand, long-term relationships will carry legal rights, and that's called a de facto relationship. But in England and Wales, we do not have that system. So let me give you a real-world scenario. A couple have been together maybe 15 years. They've got two, 3 children. They've built a life together, but the house is in one person's name. That person dies, and suddenly the surviving partner may have no automatic rights to that property. So why does this matter? Well, obviously, this is where things can get really uncomfortable, because instead of things being really simple, you can end up dealing with the estate, potentially also the deceased's family, who you may or may not get along with. There'll be legal uncertainty at a really emotional time. And this is the bit that people just don't see coming. If you're living with someone and you're not married, then you need to understand what's actually in place, who owns what your will says, and whether you've actually got any agreements in place, like a cohabitation agreement, because assumptions will not hold up legally. If this has made you stop and think, then that is a good thing. This is part of my Relationship, Property and Legal Blind Spot series. So if you've landed on this one first, go and watch the others so it all starts to click. And if you found this useful, you can follow me at Your Final Matters on Instagram and Facebook. You can subscribe here on YouTube, and please share this with someone who thinks that they're actually covered when in reality they probably aren't. And if you'd like help getting your own paperwork and plans properly sorted, then that's exactly what I help people to do. You'll find everything at yourfinalmatters.co.uk, because while you still have a voice, you have a choice.